This Easter weekend, this cut of low pressure system moving south of the country brought rain to the western and central parts. We can see decent rainfall in parts of the Northern Cape as well as the Eastern Cape and the Free State, with more than 30 millimeters of rain that fell in parts of the Free State. Some light rain was also observed over the southwestern parts of the country. This Wednesday, we're expecting more scattered showers and thunderstorms over the central parts of the country. So let's have a look at your forecast. This Wednesday, a foggy start today in parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, as well as around the escarpment in Limpopo, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. Then from early on Wednesday, we're expecting thunderstorms to move over parts of the Northern Cape and Northwest, later spreading to the central and eastern parts of the country, now moving over parts of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, Limpopo and the rest of Northwest. We can see scattered thunderstorms possible this Wednesday, stretching all the way from Namibia and Botswana over the northeastern parts of the Northern Cape, the Free State, parts of KwaZulu-Natal, the high veld of Mpumalanga, parts of Gauteng, as well as Northwest. Only isolated showers and thunderstorms for the adjacent areas, with light rain around the escarpment in Limpopo and Mpumalanga, but a dry day for the southwestern parts of the country. In this area, we are expecting an average to excellent PV harvest, but due to the cloud conditions and stormy weather over the central and eastern parts of the country, in this purple to blue colors coming through, we can see an average to poor PV harvest expected. Looking at our winds this Wednesday, we're expecting westerly to southwesterly winds to blow moderate to light around the eastern coast and the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Southeasterly winds picking up into the afternoon, blowing fresh to strong around Cape Town, becoming windy over parts of the Northern Cape. But in the Western Cape, quickly heating up over the western parts with temperatures in the mid-30s, 35 the afternoon in Klein Willem, 36 in Vredendal, a comfortable 25 in Cape Town with sunny skies, but southeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong. Foggy at first around the Overberg, the Garden Route and the Little Karoo. It's quite cool in the Garden Route with only 22 the afternoon in George and Pietermaritzburg Bay, but warming up in the Karoo with 27 the afternoon in Beaufort and Graaff-Reinet. Foggy at first in parts of the Eastern Cape, later warming up to temperatures around the mid-20s, 25 the afternoon in Kumani. Isolated thunderstorms is possible over the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Foggy at first in KwaZulu-Natal, later scattered showers and thunderstorms possible over the western parts. Temperatures in the mid-20s with 26 the afternoon in Ladysmith, 25 in Newcastle. In Mpumalanga, we are expecting isolated to scattered thunderstorms over the high veld, temperatures around the mid-20s, quite cool around the escarpment with 21 the afternoon in Emakazeni, with some light showers around the escarpment in Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo here in the vicinity of Senine and Thohoyandou. Partly cloudy skies expected in the Bushveld, with thunderstorms later moving around Thabazimbi and Balabala. In Northwest, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms over the eastern areas, becoming scattered over the central and southern parts. It's quite cool over the southern parts, with 23 the afternoon in Vryburg and Taung. In the Northern Cape, scattered thunderstorms stretching from the northern parts to the northeastern parts from early on Wednesday morning. Temperatures around 30 in Uppington, warming up with mostly sunny skies in Calvinia, 32 the afternoon there. In the Free State, scattered showers and thunderstorms possible, temperatures around the upper 20s with 27 the afternoon in Forestmith and Bloemfontein. In Gauteng, we are expecting a warm day with 27 the afternoon in Pretoria, 26 in Johannesburg. Isolated thunderstorms later moving over the northern areas, becoming scattered over the central and southern parts of Gauteng. Then on Thursday, another spell of stormy conditions expected to move over the central and eastern parts of the country, warming up now along the southern coast with 26 the afternoon in George, 29 in Gqeberha. Then into Friday, we're expecting much cooler conditions now in parts of the northern, the western and the eastern Cape, as well as the central parts of the country and Gauteng, with Pretoria now reaching a high of only 22. Showers and thunderstorms now stretching over the central parts of the country as well as the southern and eastern parts. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Wednesday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
The Stage 0 Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.